ClickUp has long been a favorite tool in the project management space, but it's definitely not for everyone. If you're feeling overwhelmed by ClickUp's complexity, you want a more functional tool that's suited to your business, or you're just simply exploring the alternatives, then stick around because this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we help companies like yours get set up and automated using industry-leading portals, apps, and integrations. In this video, we're going to explore alternatives to ClickUp, looking at their strengths, weaknesses, and who they're best suited for. So if you've been using ClickUp and you're frustrated with the steep learning curve, you feel it's too chaotic, you think there might be a better tool suited to your business, or you're sick of paying the high prices for ClickUp add-ons, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding which platform is best suited to your needs. ClickUp is a popular project management tool that markets itself as an all-in-one solution, targeting a wide range of industries. However, some critics argue that its extensive feature set can lead to complexity and a less cost-effective solution. So let's look at what other options are available. Something that we use internally at Automation Helpers is SmartSuite. SmartSuite offers a robust solution designed to solve issues for businesses. It enables users to manage diverse workflows across various departments such as sales, HR, marketing, and operations. Its versatility allows businesses to handle tasks from those that are simple to those that are complex. I'll give you a quick sneak peek into how we are using SmartSuite internally at Automation Helpers, as well as discuss the automations and features we have set up that streamline our processes. Now, in each department, tasks are usually conducted in a series of steps. Here we've got an idea section, planning and research stage, production stage or section, editing, publishing, and reporting. Here we actually lean on SmartSuite's automations to, automate a lot of the manual tasks. If we jump into the solution automation up the top here, and we'll notice that we've got some simple ones like auto setting, assignee, record type, etc. But the exciting ones are here within the generate, brief, and script, as well as the Google folders. Now, we're managing content, therefore we have files, and these files are stored in our Google Drive. Whenever a video moves to a particular stage, an automated action happens directly within SmartSuite. Here, we're actually leaning on AI to do deep research on our behalf on our video topic, then generate a brief and script for us to dive straight into and begin editing. But enough of that. Another great thing with SmartSuite is the dashboards view. Here you're able to create a tailored workspace for your department or particular team members so they can quickly and effectively get their work done. Here we'll notice we have multiple views of the same table. We're looking at the planning and research stage, production, and so on. Beyond the content pipeline or calendar, SmartSuite is great for managing projects and tasks. We'll notice here the marketing team looks after the initiatives, objectives, as well as reporting, leaning on dashboards and chart views to be able to really look at the data. But we're also able to use SmartSuite as a CRM, a sales pipeline. The possibilities are pretty endless. Now, while SmartSuite is feature-rich, this could lead to a slight learning curve for your team. However, the intuitive design of SmartSuite minimizes this learning phase, plus there are plenty of help resources and documents to help your team learn all about the platform. Make sure to check out our SmartSuite playlist to learn plenty more. Next up, we're going to look at another tool that is our bread and butter at Automation Helpers, Airtable. Airtable is known for its database capabilities. It's a favorite for teams that thrive on structured data. If you're looking to better organize and manage your data in a powerful way, Airtable is a strong contender. It combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of databases, making it ideal for organizing and managing your data. It also shines in native automations and integrations. Now, Airtable seamlessly integrates with popular tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Google, enabling automated workflows and reducing your team's manual work. Unlike with ClickUp, it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg to set these up either. Now, for businesses handling larger data sets or needing more structured workflows, Airtable definitely scales better than ClickUp, and perhaps better than any other tool out there. It's ideal for managing detailed projects, tracking inventory, or working with complex data sets that feel clunky or somewhat chaotic in ClickUp's UI. Airtable is ideal for teams that need a structured data management solution. Plus, the native automations and integrations give you a lot of power to set your manual tasks on autopilot, saving your team time and removing any delays. Next, I want to quickly mention Notion. Now, yes, it serves a different purpose to ClickUp, but perhaps that's what you are after. Notion is a great tool for startups or small businesses looking to begin their project management, or for those of you that want a document editor that far exceeds the capability of ClickUp's. Notion serves as a unified workspace where teams can write, plan, and collaborate. Its flexibility allows for the creation of customized workspaces or dashboards, allowing businesses to build a more tailored work solution. I love Notion, but the versatility can become a double-edged sword. If you're managing complex large data sets, well, it's going to quickly become chaotic, and those complex workflows just simply can't be handled by Notion. For those businesses that want to build a tailored workspace or work solution, then Notion could be a great option, which leads us into Coda, a similar tool to Notion, but with more power. Coda is a powerful alternative to ClickUp for teams that need a balance between a structured project management tool and flexible documentation. Now, unlike ClickUp's rigid project structure, Coda lets you create fully custom workspaces, blending documents, tables, and real-time collaboration. Plus, in Coda, the native automations are super powerful, and the integrations, labeled as packs, can do a lot more than what Notion can do, and even ClickUp. However, similarly to ClickUp, you'll be paying for those extra packs. As we can see here, connecting to Slack, well, unless it's included in your pricing plan, you're going to be paying $5 per month just to access that integration. Now, the way that Coda is set up is very different to the way Airtable, SmartSuite, Monday, and the usual project management platforms actually run. Because it's a balance between document editing and spreadsheets or databases, well, it may be a learning curve for your team to get used to. However, that being said, Coda is a great option for businesses that need a functional tool that can also be a tailored and customized workspace. And finally, let's take a look at Asana, which is a great tool for those who are just being introduced to digital work management. Asana is renowned for its intuitive interface. Its simple and minimalistic design makes project management easy. It's a straightforward project management tool with straightforward project management features. Asana does offer some simple native automations and integrations that can enable some of your tedious manual tasks to go on autopilot. However, when it comes to complex functionality, well, Asana just simply can't compete with tools like Airtable or SmartSuite. Asana's main focus is on task and project management, allowing you to create tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and ensure accountability and collaboration. You can customize your workflows through projects that fit specific team processes, and there is some flexibility in how much you can organize and customize this. Now, while Asana does excel in usability, its functionality is lacking. However, something we should mention is in the attractive pricing plans. The starter plan, which gives you everything except advanced reporting, well, that's just $11 US per person. Compare this to ClickUp's quite expensive pricing plan, as well as when you start using ClickUp apps or ClickUp add-ons, it starts to become quite pricey. Well, there you have it, the alternatives to ClickUp. Hopefully this video has provided you with enough info for you to go away and decide which platform is the right for your business. If you still have some unanswered questions or you want to learn how to automate parts of your business, then don't hesitate to reach out to us at automationhelpers.com. Our team of experts are offering a free 30-minute consultation, so book yours today.